No? So, ano siya, 18 feet by 6.5 feet. Tapos, ito yung madre, teacher, student, please. So, pati yung symbol ng rainbow, nirequest nila kasi that's their symbol. Baguio Arts Fest, medyo nare-revive yung Saling Pusa at this time, no, nandiyan si Santiago Bose, tapos, ang babata pa namin, that's Bobby Valenzuela. Siya yung na-curate ng Baguio Arts Fest. It's the first time na na-meet niya yung grupo. Before, ito yung mga trabaho namin sa group. No? Yung mga ganyan, very, very playful, spontaneous, wala masyadong masaya. No? Pero we tried using yung process namin sa Abay, sa Saling Pusa. No? So, dinala namin sa Saling Pusa. Tapos ito yung first namin project with the Saling Pusa group na gagawin yung process ng Abay. Tapos ito yung sa Baguio Arts Fest. No? So, we did this piece within 3 hours. 3 hours namin ginawa. Yeah. Tapos ito si Benton kasi head ng Baguio Arts Fest. So, this piece is no longer there. It has been erased. So this is the only documentation we have. It's not very clear. And the next night of the Baguio Arts Fest, there was a concert by Coco Jam. So concert, tapos we painted at the back while they were playing. So, and this is Manny Garibay, that's Elmer Burlona. And we don't have a photo of the final image. And the work is no longer something. May work kami sa Makiling, isang workshop. That time there were so many flyovers na pinatayo sa bansa. So, pinunta namin yung flyover. So, ayan siya. Nasa National Museum na ito. Work na ito. Carnaval. Sino nito yung nakita ng Carnaval? It's in Pinto Museum right now. So, this is the first study of Carnaval. Pero hindi siya naging ganyan. Ito sa bahay natin ni Dr. Juana. Ngayon, ito na yung Pinto Museum. Ang timing wala na yung Pinto Museum. So, ayun kami. It's 40 feet by 40. Tapos, within Saling Pusa, kasi hindi naman kami tayo na ito, pagkala na kami, parang artist group din. Pero, meron mas yung mga nanggaling sa Abay, we were more politicized. We formed a new group. Yung group na ito, Sanggawa. No? So, ito yung mga projects ng Sanggawa. All the works here, or most, were based on an event that happened in the Philippines, or ano ito ba, cancer week or something. Kaya nandiyan si Marco Roman, ito yung Miss Universe, may Miss Universe sa Manila noon. Tapos it's the meeting of the two virgins. So, Salubong or Encounter, title. Tapos, the House of Sin, si Cardinal Sin. At that time, they were debating the population issue, and he was debating with the Health Secretary Juan Flavier. Tapos, he was giving condoms as gifts to promote family planning. galing na galing si Cardinal Sin, sabi niya, better than he be sure to the sea with a millstone around his neck. So, tapos meron siyang papaya na parang giving you that fruit, tapos discarded polygon. So, yun yung mga gawa ng isang gawa. Tapos the second visit of Pope John Paul II. So the title of this piece was The Second Coming. It was time that the show would open at the time when the Pope leaves. So it was all over the newspapers. And we had visitors who still carried Michael and souvenirs. Galing sila sa rally for the Pope. 18 feet yan, yung work na yan. Ito parang heads celebration. Tapos, ito sa Sydney, 3-story mural siya. And ito sa Museum of Contemporary Art, Tokyo. We were part of the exhibit. We had to be working there while ongoing exhibit kasi to show the people the process. Kasi yung collaborative process na it had to look like one person did the work. So, ang title ng piece na to, Okamura. Sa'yo na to. Galing sa yung nauso na yung mga Japan circles, tapos nakasulat yung Okamura sa'yo na to, tapos ayun yung mga Filipino cultural workers na pumupunta sa Japan. So, ito yun, the sleeping beauty waiting for the Prince Charming. Tapos ito yung Japanese yet, pixelized. Ito yung last piece na, hindi pa pala last piece. Magawa ng mga installation piece about flow contemplation ng isang domestic helper dun sa Singapore na binitay. Hindi masyadong malinaw. Tapos, we had commissioned works. Tapos ito, there was this competition for Malacanang Heroes Hall. Nagagawa ng mural. No? So, ito yung mural na ginawa namin, nakuha namin yung grant. So, ngayon, nasa Heroes Hall sa Malacanang. So, 40 feet siya by 6.5. Ito rin, 6.5 by 40. So, 80 feet yung total. It's about the Philippine heroes and the Philippine presidents. Ito naman sa Museum of Contemporary Art, Tokyo. May project sila na Adrian Garden beside the museum. So, this was made in aluminum, 12 feet in height, 115 feet in length. It's no longer there. Shopping mall and so the work was divided into 3 parts, separate. Kung saan nilalagay, magkakahiwalay na yun. So, tuloy-tuloy din yung Saling Pusa. Yun yung mga projects ng Sanggawa. Ito, Saling Pusa. So, tuloy-tuloy din yung mga projects ng Saling Pusa at that time. Tapos last year, we celebrated our 30th year as friends. So, ito yung nagsama-sama namin ulit sa Pintong Museum. So, yan na rin yung first part. So, may questions kayo. Pwede rin, pero actually, meron pang second part yung ako. Tuloy ko na lang muna. So, as an individual artist, tuloy-tuloy lang din kami. Most of us have our own individual careers. Tapos in 1994, tumira ako sa Las Piñas. Sa Las Piñas, parang iba yung mga jeep. Notice ko kasi yung pala, the roads were smaller. Tapos pag doon ko sa backseat, tingin mo ganyan, mas malapit yung jeep. Tapos makikita mo yung visor na tawag dyan, yung katas ng Saudi Japayuki, mga ganun. So, doon din ang saraw. Wala nang saraw ngayon, pero doon din ang pinaka-gumagawa ng mga jeepney. No? So, gawa rin ng mga device. So, actually, nakita ko talaga itong Virgin Chaser. No? So, gumawa ako ng version ng Virgin Chaser. Tapos yung Virgin Chaser ng Playboy sign dyan. Tapos isang sexy babae. Tapos Virgin Mary. No? So, again, yung two virgins andyan. Tapos, ang interesting kasi sa Virgin Chaser, para siya beer, tapos gin, tapos chaser. So, marilit mo rin siya sa kanya, may beer, may gin, saka may chaser. Okay. Itong work na to, di ba meron nakalagay sa jeep, barya lamang sa umaga. So, gumawa ko barya 4x4. Barya lamang na lamang. This talks about the sale of the Philippines by Spain to the US. So we were sold for $20 million during the Philippine Revolution. So tungkol yan doon. Tapos pupat. Pupat means slow. Bakit pupat? Kasi okupado. Okupado. Matapang magiging nasulot. Tapos may image ka rin ng katipunero na rebelde. Tapos yung red stripes ng blood. So parang ito yung educado. It talks about our education. So American educated. Maamo. Maamo dalawang ibig sabihin. Diba maamo sa meat. Tapos meron maamo si master. Andyan ako kinakain. Tapos Kristiyano bagong ito. So ito yung new brand ng Christianity na pumapasok sa atin. Actually dapat magkasama yung tatlo. Pero ngayon hiwa-hiwa na yan sila. Pasensya na kayo pagbukas ng kaban, santuman ay magnanakaw. Sa pula sa puti. Kami nagsasabog. Tuloy kayo kami. Maupo kayo na kasi ang masunuring bata ay pinagpapala. Gawa ito sa sticker. So may stainless, tapos may sticker, tapos kinakat ko yung mga stickers, parang form ng mga ganito. So yung cross-hatching na ito, inisa-isa ito sa stickers. Ito yung mga stickers na ginagamit mo sa mga jeepney. Tapos actually may nakasulat dito na Alto. This is Private William Grayson. He fired the first shot that led to the Philippine-American War. In Philippine-American War, there are other studies. Kasi medyo varied yung studies. There are studies that said that about 1/6 of the entire Filipino population died during the Philippine-American War. So, bihado. Kaya, di ba sa sabo, bihado yung manok mo. White rain, ito yung pagpasok na talaga ng Commonwealth TV. Tapos, noong 2002, meron akong series ng works na ginawa tungkol sa gera sa Baghdad. We were living in the US. Tapos, ito, parang pinalabas nila kasi yung bombing ng Baghdad. Tapos sa TV, nakita namin yun. Tapos gumawa ko ng war live sa reflection niya sa mirror. Raw evil. Raw evil. Tuloy mo rin yun. Pagdodrawing ko sa notebook, this was about 3 years ago, so ngayon actually mas mataas na yun. I continued to paint from time to time. Ito yung mga paintings ko. Actually, this painting was done in 1999 and it was hung in one of the coffee shops dito sa Makati. Pero I think a visitor saw na yung planes, may dalawang planes na papunta sa UP. So, nag-react sila, actually pinababa nila yung painting, ano, kasi naalala nila yung 9/11. Pero this was done in 1999. Bighani, kinumbine ko yung kwento ni Rizal sa Gamo-Gamo, tapos yung kwento ni Tars. Choice, half ng yung totoo rito. The other half is just a reflection. So the word is completed by a combination of both the real and the illusion. Tapos yung hagdanan continues to go up. Siya yung letter H kasi yung reflection niya. So, choice. Ito, gawa ni Joy Malyari when we were in the US, still a reaction to the war, yung panahon ng atake ng Baghdad. Tapos, ang nakaspell nito sa sign language is peace. So, nakaanto sa, ito yung street sa Los Angeles. Tapos, may gallery, Asian design gallery. Tapos, nilagay namin ganyan